To unrestrict someone on Instagram. Start by opening the app on your iPhone or Android phone and navigating to your profile by selecting the profile icon at the bottom right. From there, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right and choose Settings and Privacy from the menu. In the Settings and Privacy section, scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You category and select Restricted Accounts. This will give you a brief overview of what it means to have a restricted account. Click Continue to proceed. You will then see a list of all the people you have restricted on Instagram. Find the person you want to unrestrict and click Unrestrict next to their name. This will remove them from your restricted accounts list, and they will no longer be restricted on Instagram. By following these steps, you can easily unrestrict an account on Instagram, allowing that person to interact with you more freely on the platform.